Best Coding Languages for Beginners to Start 2024. Welcome to our guide on the best coding languages for beginners in 2024. Whether you want to build websites, create apps, or dive into data science, choosing the right language is crucial. Let's explore the top contenders. Segment 1. Python. Known for its simplicity and readability, Python is perfect for beginners. It's widely used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Plus, with a massive community and countless resources, you'll never be stuck for help. Segment 2. JavaScript. This language is essential for web development. It allows you to create interactive websites and is a key part of most modern web applications. With frameworks like React and Vue.js, JavaScript is both powerful and versatile. Segment 3. Ruby. Known for its elegant syntax, Ruby is great for beginners who want to build web applications quickly. The Ruby on Rails framework simplifies the development process, making it a popular choice for startups. Segment 4. Scratch. Youngest learners, Scratch is an excellent starting point. This visual programming language introduces coding concepts without the complexity of syntax. It's perfect for kids and anyone looking to understand the basics of programming. Here are our top 5 coding languages for beginners in 2024. Python, JavaScript, Ruby.